So Mr. Benji's been cranky lately. So I'm pulling out a present I was saving for later. And I'm going to give it to him now. Do you want to take it out front? Good job. Here, why don't we take it out front, baby? No, I don't want to go on the shelves with it. It's too noisy. Come on. There. You want it in the box? Okay, I can throw it in the box if you like. Yep, today was the day for the mallet. Because Mr. B was a cranky little pants. Little cranky pants. I'm not throwing it in the box with you in the box, just FYI. Good roll. Wow. Nice one. Oh my goodness. Nice. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh, He-Man. Oh yeah, you got it. You got it, little man. Excellent throw. Wow.